As HVACR apprentices, understanding the role of high-pressure controls is crucial for ensuring system safety and efficiency. A high-pressure control is an electromechanical switch that activates when the pressure within a system exceeds a safe threshold. Its primary function is to shut off the compressor, preventing potential damage or hazardous situations. This component is vital in maintaining the balance of pressure within HVAC systems, ensuring they operate smoothly and reliably. By mastering the operation and maintenance of high-pressure controls, you contribute to the longevity and performance of HVAC systems, making you an indispensable part of the industry.